In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create two columns in Canva using a table. So first, open up a design in Canva. Then next in the left panel, click or hover your mouse on tools. Then click on the tables icon. And as you can see, this table layout will instantly be added on your canvas. So all you have to do is right click on a row or column and select delete row. Repeat the same process until you're left with just one row. Now, with this three columns, delete this specific column. So, right click on this and select delete column. Now, you're left with just these two columns. Now, to make it look cleaner, we're going to remove the borders by setting the border weight to 0. And to do that, click on the border icon in this top toolbar. Then next is click on this three-line icon or border style and drag this slider to 0, or you can also just simply click on this none button or icon. Just make sure that you selected both the columns, and if you forget, you can always do that. Go back again until both looks transparent. And from here, you can start resizing your table to fit your layout. And here you can start adding your content by clicking on a specific column. You can type text directly into each column. And with this, you can organize information side by side. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one.